Good morning students. In this video we will learn about what is accounting. So accounting starts where the bookkeeping ends. यानी कि bookkeeping आपने पढ़ा इससे in the previous video we have learned about that the bookkeeping's role end at the preparation of the trial balance where the preparation when the trial balance has been prepared, the role of the bookkeeping finished, and from there the accounting starts. So in this way we can say the accounting starts where the bookkeeping ends. It includes the following activities that is considered in the accounting: summarizing and classifying the transaction in the form of the profit and loss account and balance sheet. तो अकाउंटेंसी में क्या चीज़ें हैं? समराइजिंग एंड क्लासीफाइंग द ट्रांजैक्शन, यानी कि जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन है उसको समराइज करना, क्लासीफाइंग करना इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड द बैलेंस शीट. बैलेंस शीट के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग लेजर में पहले से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव डन we prepared the ledger according to their nature of the accounts. We maintain all the transaction at one place for the one nature accounts. So this is in the accounting, summarizing the classified transaction in the form of the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, and analyzing the interpreting the summarizing result. Then analyzing the interpreting the summarized result. Whatever the summarized result is profit and loss account and the balance sheet. You have prepared the profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is the summarized result. This summarized result is interpreted, and we analyze that whether our firm is in the running condition or whether our firm is in the unfavorable condition or in the loss condition, and what are our balances reflect from the balance sheet, that what are the balances of the assets and the liabilities, what is the position at the time of when we have prepared the balance sheet. So in this way analyzing and interpreting the summarized result, in the other way drawing the meaningful information from the profit and loss account. तो हमें क्या करना कि जो बैलेंस शीट या फिर जो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट हमने बनाया उससे हम लोग वी ड्रॉ मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन from the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, that you will learn in the coming chapter when you will learn about how to prepare the profit and loss account, trading account, balance sheet, and on how you will pass the journal entry. So that topic we will discuss in the coming chapters. In the coming chapter we will discuss about, but theoretical point of view, just you understand here that the accounting is the process of summarizing, classifying transaction in the form of profit and loss account, and we interpret the result from the prepared profit and loss account. We take the meaningful information from the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, and communicating the information to the interested parties, and this information is communicated to the information to the interested party. Interested party may be the investor. Okay, interested party may be the creditor, interested party may be the shareholder. Okay, and so ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है, ये कम्युनिकेशन जो हम लोग इन्फॉर्मेशन करते हैं जो टू द इंटरेस्टेड पार्टी, that may be our prospective customer, that may be our prospective investor, that may planning to invest in our business enterprises. So in this way we are going to conclude that the accounting is the very important activities of any business concern or any business organization. So you have to understand this concept of accounting very well, because without accounting nothing can be done in the business organization. You cannot memorize all the transaction in your mind while you are going to pass several entries. You are going to you are involved in the several activities, or you are involved in the various, you are doing lots of transaction in your day-to-day activities, you cannot memorize. So accounting is play a very important role preparation of the profit and loss account in ascertaining the profit and loss. So here I am going to conclude this. Okay, student. So this is the in the conclusive way I have explained you. So that is so have a nice study. I hope that you have got the topic, and if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can ask. Okay.